So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the frame rate of the clips on the timeline of DaVinci Resolve. Now, for example, this is a basic project that I've created and I've integrated a clip on the timeline. Now, for example, if this is a 60 FPS video and I want to change the frame rate and I want to change the frame rate of this video. Now, in order to do it, just simply right click over there and hit on the option of clip attributes. You can easily find that option. There are multiple other options. Just simply find the option that says clip attributes. Click over there. Now here you'll see this option that says video frame rate. Click over there and select the frame rate as per your convenience, like 30 fps, 16 fps, or you can choose the custom frame rate as well. Like if I want 24 fps only, I can just simply hit OK, and now video has been converted to 24 fps.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.